Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be creating this look using the Roxi X Revolution Cherry Blossom makeup line. So she's just released this new makeup line, and I have her previous Roxi Revolution eyeshadow palettes and I love those. I use them all the time. So I really wanted to try this Cherry Blossom set, and as soon as it dropped I bought it, and yeah. So I'm going to show you how I did this look and a little mini review of the different products. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. Also, side note, I'm really sorry if you can hear rain in the background. It's been raining on and off all day. Yeah, I just want to apologise that in advance, just in case you can hear it. So I've already got my base makeup on because she didn't bring out any of these kind of products, and yes, that's why my brows look really crazy right now because there's no other makeup on. I'm going to hope that they look better when there's a full face on. We're just going to ignore them for now, okay? We'll do that together. I'm just going to get my mirror because I just realised I've left it over there. So I'll be roll for the mirror. Hi. Oh, I was too far away then. Okay. I haven't done anything with my hair yet. I'm just going to try and like clip it out of the way for now, I guess. This is how it dries like naturally, and it's driving me nuts because it's not curly, it's not wavy, it's just a mess. So she brought out 4 different products, and this is what they look like. It's the Roxi Cherry Blossom collection. I think I'm going to start with the blush and highlight, then we'll do the eyes, and then we'll do the lipstick. But these are so cute. Like, I love the packaging, it's super cute. We're going to go put these on our face. So we're going to start with the blushes. So she brought out 2 blushes. The blushes don't have shade names on the bottle. The shade name is only on the box. So this is the shade Orange Blossom. It's like an orangey peachy colour. And this is the shade Sakura, and it's more of like a pinky, yeah, baby pink colour. I think we're going to use the shade Sakura. I'm just going to pop a little bit on the back of my hand. That's a lot. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, it's very pigmented. I've just ruined my makeup. Don't know what to do now. I squeezed so much onto my hand too. Uh-oh. We're just going to pretend that it's not that bad. Yeah, we'll just pretend. We're just pretending. But these seem to dry a lot faster, which might be why it's not coming off, because I don't know if you can see, but that's already drying. Can you see? They really remind me of the iconic London ones. It's very similar to the pink iconic London one shade-wise. Next up we have the highlighters. I almost couldn't read the names on there because it's so light, but we have 2 different shades. We have a more golden shade. Let me open it. We have this more like goldeny shade. This is the shade Sunlight. Yeah, it's very golden toned. And then we have the shade Moonlight, which is the one I'm going to be using. It's slightly lighter, more of like a champagne colour. So I'm going to get a little bit of this. I'm not going to squeeze too much out like I did with the last one. That's really pretty. I don't know if I was meant to shake it before. Okay. It's a very like wet look, if you get what I mean. I might try apply this side with a beauty blender. See what kind of effect that gives. I probably should have applied it with my finger in dots first and then blended it. Oh, I feel like that just removes it. Oh, I don't know if I like that. It might be because I put too much blush on, but like, can you see that? This is the thing that I'm most excited about. This is the eyeshadow palette. It has 9 shadows in it. I believe 3 are eyeshadows and 6 are pressed pigments. And it gives you like a little thing. I think that's usually stuck on the back, but it's not on this one. But look at how cute that is. I want an avatar version of myself with pink hair. Like, I was going to try to recreate the look she had on the front, but I don't think there's shadows of that colour in here. Oh, it's the same. So it looks like this. It's got her face on the front. It's more like glossy than matte. That's what I'm saying. And the back looks like this. It's very cute, very pretty, very cherry. Oh! The sheet just fell out. Okay, so you get... Look at how pretty that is. And a little heart-shaped mirror. That is so adorable. So you get 9 shades. I think... Those shades on there do not look like the shades in the pan. Like, am I going crazy? Are they darker in the little photo thing? Thank you, Roxy. We have Blossom, Glisten, Vanilla, Pink Sparkle, Sakura, Glow, Dusty Rose, Dazzle and Raspberry. Personally, I wouldn't have called a shade Sakura when you already have it in the blush, but I guess it's a similar colour to the blush. That's probably why it's been done. As always, I'm using my P. Louise brushes. I'm going to go in with the shade, oh, it's a bit dusty, Vanilla first. There seems to be a lot of like just coming out, a lot of fallout. Just using the shade Vanilla to pack all over the eyes. But I think, should we do like these 2 colours, or should we do full pink? I feel like I've done pink recently, but I've also done like a goldish colour recently. Sakura? I don't know how you say that. That's pigmented. Look at how pigmented that is. What I do is like pink looks or go in with the shade Raspberry just to deepen up the crease, which I guess is more of like a purpley shade. And the only flat brush I have is this little teeny tiny one. But I'm going to take the shade Pink Sparkle here. I can pick any up. Okay, this might be one of those where you have to use your finger. Yeah. Oh, look at how pretty that is when you use your finger. I'm going to take the shade Glow, which is this white shade here, just on my little finger. And apply that to the inner corner as a little inner corner highlight. I was not expecting it to be that bright. I'm going to take the same raspberry shade and pop it on the lower lash line. I'm going to go do the other eye and apply mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so lastly we have the little lip kit. It comes with a lip liner and a lipstick. Liquid lipstick. This is the shade Cherry Blossom. I don't know if it's matte. Oh, it's meant to be matte. Oh, it's lip gloss. It's a lip gloss. So it's a lip liner and a lip gloss. There we go. That answers my question. And this is the shade Cherry Blossom. I can open it. Okay, so this is what they look like out. This lip liner is probably the cutest lip liner I've ever seen. I love the whole pink and white aesthetic. If I can open it. That was meant to be satisfying, but it's literally just, I did it wrong. Ooh, that does not look that pink actually. It's nice and sharp. Okay, so I just outlined and sort of shaded my lips. Now we're going to add the gloss. I didn't fill my lips in fully because I want to see how pigmented the gloss is. That smells so good. It is quite sticky. but it looks really pretty. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm really impressed with the lip gloss, the lip pencil and the eyeshadow palette. The blush was really nice. I just felt I put too much on. The highlighter didn't do it for me. There's better highlighters out there, but overall, like as a whole collection, I would definitely recommend the blush, the eyeshadows and the lip gloss. Like this is, and it tastes delicious. It smells so good. Yeah, I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. Yeah, I hope to see you on my next video. Bye, I love you.